3 mounting bolts holding this upper shroud on. This one's broken on ours, but they're all 10mm socket or wrench. And you're just gonna pop it out and lift it up. It's always good practice to take a picture with your camera of the belt routing if you don't already have a belt routing picture on the vehicle. 15mm wrench or socket, pull clockwise, and then take the belt off. And you just bring it right around all the pulleys. And right around the harmonic balancer. And just bring it right up. Here's the location of the idler pulley, 15mm wrench or socket. You're going to go counterclockwise and back that bolt right off. So we have our new idler pulley and the old one. Make sure they're the correct size and always transfer over the center washer and spacer. So it just pops right out like that. Transfer it right over. You're going to reuse the old bolt. Make sure you transfer everything over, bolt and washer. Line it up. 15mm socket and 35 foot-pounds. So to put the new Serp belt on, you go down to the harmonic balancer. The fan does have an open side to it. See, the blades aren't so tight right there. That way you can use that and see what you're doing a little bit easier. Just gotta be patient. Fans, blades are always in the way. You're gonna have to use both hands at all times. So you gotta keep tension on it. Run the back side of the belt around the water pump pulley. Down over the power steering, up around the AC. Make sure it's still lined up on that harmonic balancer. New tensioner, alternator, then the smooth idler pulley. Now you make it sure that it's lined up with all the pulleys, and then you're going to get your 15mm wrench or your Serp belt tool and go clockwise with that tensioner and slide the belt over the smooth part of the idler pulley. Get a little snug. Now that you have your belt on, you can put the shredder fan top part back together. So you just guide it down, and it'll fit right on those slots. And then you have your little studs that come out. There's 3 of them total. And then 1 down on the side here. 10mm wrench or socket. Just snug them up.